Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this Dress to Impress tutorial, we are showing you how you can create a fake baby bump look that's totally unexpected and absolutely iconic. So whether you are going for maternity chic or just want to break the runway with something bold, this hack will have jaws dropping. Now let me show you how. So first you can go to the men's section and put on this t-shirt, so you'll have this oversized t-shirt. I'm going to remove the image and change the color into blue, like a hospital gown, like this. And now you can head to this rack and grab this pumpkin and use the same color but change the texture into matte. So it will look the same. And now you can just go to the dressing room or the closet and find a currency item, this teddy bear in here, and toggle it into number 3. So now the pumpkin will be in the center, like on your belly, and you will look like you are pregnant or have a bump. So this one is perfect for comedy rounds, creative challenges, or just flexing your fashion imaginations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on a thanks for more wild and unique DTI outfit hacks. Bye!